Hi, this is our presentation video with group assignment. Our topic is average cost of construction materials in 2021. First of all, we need to get the price for each of the materials from suppliers located in Selangor. Some members of our group get quotations through the invoice provided by the company, while some members of our group get quotations from the official websites of the hardware company and Shopee as stated below. We use average price to establish the Power BI data for each of the materials including reinforcement bar, clay brick, ordinary Portland cement, white horse ceramic floor tiles, timber plywood flush door, Monier concrete roof tiles and Utune emulsion internal white paint. The average of the price can be obtained by summing the values of each state in the collection of data and divided by the total number of group members. Average price gives more accurate results as it takes into account all the values in the series so no data is left out and it is least affected by fluctuation of sampling. Next, we will show you our Power BI that can list out the price of construction material based on the location. First, we can choose the data that we want based on location and type of material. For example, click the arrow on the locations function and choose one location that you want. If you choose the location for Johor, the price of material including structure and finishes will appear in the bar chart and column chart. Just bring the cursor to the chart provided, and we can get the data from there. We decided to separate between structure and finishes material in our Power BI. This is because it will make things easier for QS and contractors to get the price they need. For example, we click on the clay brick in the slicer function, and the price of clay brick will appear in the column chart. Then, if we click on Monier concrete roof tiles, the price of this finishes will appear in the column chart. The price appeared will be based on the location we have chosen earlier. Therefore, separating the materials according to structure and finishes in Power BI will make their work easier as they can easily filter out the materials that they needed. We also provide a matrix table in our Power BI that will cover all materials and their price. This table will help QS during the design stage to do the final accounts, as it will cover all materials and their price. Lastly, we can click on the chart for the location we want, and the table will filter out the data according to the location we need. So, what is the benefit Power BI could bring to quantity surveyor? As we all know, one key area in the quantity surveying profession that is ripe for disruption is cost reporting. Cost reporting for complex projects can be time-consuming and challenging when it involves collating information from various sources. Now with the aid of Power BI, data to be collected from multiple sources can be transformed into a dashboard report to provide different insights into a project or program of works. It cuts down on the time needed to produce a report and allows quantity surveyors to gain more insight into the trends and key information for measuring project health beside enabling quantity surveyor to present information to their client in a more dynamic format. With those insight and information, a quantity surveyor can also gain greater control over cost and achieving a more accurate cost estimation. In our case, Power BI provides the information of average cost of material and allow the quantity surveyor to analyze the most cost-effective materials easier, which will then help them in selecting the most appropriate contractors. In short, Power BI allow the cost reporting process to be more timely, transparent, and dynamic. It allow quantity surveyor to make better decisions which affect the economics of buildings. That is all from us, thank you.